home remedy to use and say goodbye to diabetes, cholesterol, liver problems and eliminate accumulated fat. The severe side effects of medications have made numerous people turn to natural and alternative remedies in the treatment of their health issues. Such remedies are completely safe, cheap, and highly effective, but often need more time to provide the desired effects. Cilantro is one of the most beneficial and popular natural remedies, which has been commonly used as a natural remedy for high cholesterol levels, diabetes, liver and pancreas problems, and excess body fat. It is a rich source of phytonutrients, flavonoids, and phenolic compounds, as well as vitamin A270, vitamin K 12.4 mcg, folate 2.5 mcg, potassium 20.8 mg, and low in cholesterol and saturated fat. Moreover, it is high in magnesium, iron, dietary fiber, vitamin C, E, and calcium. Its regular use will fortify the teeth, hair, and bones, and help you support the healthy cardiovascular function. Here are some of the numerous benefits it offers. It controls blood sugar levels, eliminates heavy metals from the body, prevents oxidative stress, improves sleep and treats anxiety, treats urinary tract infections. It helps digestion. It prevents the accumulation of fat in the body, prevents colon cancer. It acts as a powerful diuretic, treats ulcers, treats digestive issues and diarrhea. It boosts the liver function. Cilantro prevents the oxalates accumulation in the kidneys and the formation of kidney stones. Relieves skin irritations. It treats conjunctivitis and other eye problems. Prepare the following cilantro remedy at home and you will prevent the formation of kidney stones, lower high cholesterol and blood sugar levels, and eliminate excess body fat. Ingredients: a handful of cilantro, a pot of water. Directions: add the chopped cilantro to the boiled water, leave the mixture to cool, and strain it. Drink this tea during the entire day and reap all the benefits of this herb.